kids, let's learn three-letter words today.
Amazing!
A X E X A X E X A N T Ant A N T Ant B A G Bag B A G Bag B A T Bat B A T Bat B E D Bed B E D Bed B O X Box B O X Box B O Y Y B O Y Y B U G Bug B U G Bug B U N Bun B U N Bun B U S Bus B U S Bus C A P Cap C A P Cap C A R Car C A R Car C A T Cat C A T Cat C O W Cow C O W Cow C U B Cub C U B Cub C U P Cup C U P Cup D O G Dog D O G Dog F A N Fan F A N Fan F O X Fox F O X Fox H A E Hat H A T. Hat.
Amazing!
Thank you so much.